and the L shape of living and dining area. This is your kitchen area, the beautiful and spacious kitchen area, and this side is your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Nico Home 7, the new launch by Bhartiya Urban Group, which is located in Sadanahali, Bangalore. And today we are here to check out the 3.5 BHK model flat. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing on the land parcel of Bhartiya City, and now just behind me is the marketing office. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 29 acres of land parcel with 10 towers with 2 basement ground plus 22 floors having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 3 BHK loft premium luxury residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project is coming up with world-class amenities like of multi-purpose court, swimming pool, garden area, clubhouse, tennis court, kids play area and many more. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Navratna Agrahara Road, just opposite to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadanahali, Bangalore. And let me show you the Navratna Agrahara Road. So this road which is visible over here is the Navratna Agrahara Road. And you can connect to Bangalore International Airport in just 5 minutes of drive from the project. So this is your 3.5 BHK of 2045 square feet super built up area, and here we start. So this start with the lobby area for your privacy and the L shape of living and dining area. So once you enter the living area, you can check out the sofa set over here and the beautiful balcony which is attached to your living area. So this is your spacious balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side cover. You can have a sip of coffee and enjoy your view. Now, we'll be moving further towards your dining area. So this side you can add up your dining table exactly in front of your kitchen area. So now let me show you your kitchen area. This is your kitchen area, the beautiful and spacious kitchen area with the cabinets. You can check out the interior work which is done with the cabinets, the platform, and this kitchen area comes with the utility attached, the utility area with anti-skid tiles. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So walking through your dining area, we'll be moving towards your bedroom space. Over this side is your passage area. And now about your bedroom number 1 is just over that side. So you can check out the bed space, the beautiful bay window and the wardrobe space as well. Now exactly in front of this bedroom, you can find out your common washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your 0.5 room is over this side. So you can check out the space of the 0.5 room over here. You can even add a bed. You can even add your study table. A window is given. That is not just a window, the bay window. Even over here is your wardrobe space. Now moving towards another room. So again catching your passage area. Over this side is your bedroom number 2. Again with a lobby area over here for your privacy. And this side comes the beautiful part, my favorite part, and that is the corner bay window. And this room is much more spacious. You can even add a huge bed. So this side is a bed space, your wardrobe space. And now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before that, let me inform you about more features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All those wonderful features under Housey.com. So schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now, just follow me. And this side is your master bedroom with the uniqueness of wooden finishing flooring. Not just wooden finishing, it's a wooden flooring. And again, your corner bay window, the favorite part. So your bed space is over this side. And one more best part, that is the closet area, the walk-in wardrobe. So the walk-in wardrobe where you can add up your closet and which is attached to your washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Sadanahalli location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.